Now, a prominent lawyer in South Carolina in the United States has been found guilty of killing his wife and son. Prosecutors say that Alex Murdaugh wanted to distract attention from his theft of millions of dollars from clients, which he used to fund an expensive drug habit. Gary O'Donoghue reports.
A small-town courthouse in South Carolina, but a dramatic trial that has gripped the nation's imagination.
Minimum sentence for murder.
After nearly 6 weeks of evidence but less than 3 hours of deliberation, the jury returned its verdict on both murder charges.
Docket number 2022 GS 15, verdict guilty, signed by the foreperson of the jury.
Outside the court, the prosecutors said justice had been done.
If you do wrong, if you break the law, if you murder, then justice will be done in South Carolina.
The Murdaugh family dominated the legal world in this picturesque part of South Carolina. For decades, the family held key prosecutor roles in several counties, and their private law firm seen almost as powerful as law enforcement itself. It was at this 1,700-acre property that the bodies of Maggie and Paul Murdaugh were found brutally murdered almost 2 years ago. The culmination of a series of events that had seen 3 other separate suspicious deaths connected to the family. 3 months later, Alex Murdaugh, accused of killing his wife and son, was also to admit to a botched suicide attempt involving a $10 million insurance claim, charges for which are still pending. But during the murder trial, he was adamant he was innocent.
Did you take this gun or any gun like it and blow your son's brains out on June 7th or any day or any time?
No, I did not.
And he may be taken away.
As he left the courtroom, Murdaugh mouthed "I love you" to his son Buster, who was in the public gallery. He'll be sentenced later today and could get anything from 30 years to life without parole. But that isn't the end of it for Alex Murdaugh. He still faces dozens of other charges for financial crimes and investigations into other suspicious deaths connected to the family. Gary O'Donoghue, BBC News.